to tell you what it means so you can see an example. Are you ready? Okay, so if I said to you 5 plus 5, you would tell me that the answer is? 10. Most people know that one, right?
Yeah.
It's just when you know. So after doing that, I might give you a question like 5 plus 6. What's the answer to 5 plus 6?
11.
How does knowing 5 plus 5 help you answer 5 plus 6? Go ahead. No, what you said is right. Go ahead.
Just one extra.
Oh, so 6 is one more than 5, right? So your answer has to be one more than 10, so it's 11.
Oh.
So that's how number strings work. We use one equation or problem to help us with the second one. And so that's how they're going to work together.
It's just like how you use times. You add like one of them.
Yeah, you can add one more group. You can do lots of different pieces. Yeah, I would agree. So we're going to do a number string, but I've been challenging all the second graders today with subtraction. But I've heard you're the best group. Is that true? You're the best class? You don't seem very confident in yourselves. Yes, we are the best.
You
You'll
probably
get there.
say
You'll
that
get
to
there. It's all right.
everyone.
No, I don't. It's the only time I've said it today I've said it to a kindergarten class, but not a second grade class. I heard it. So, yes, sir.
So like, is it like, so what you're just talking about was like, so when you like add numbers like the 1 and the 10, you give it like.
Yeah, you're just
the
gonna use
5.
you're gonna use patterns of things to help you move forward. Okay? So let's try a subtraction problem. Is everyone ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Nope. Nope.
You can do it, I promise. Here we go. When you have an answer, I want you to use your thumb on your chest, please. Thumb on your chest. And you're going to whisper the answer in 3, 2, 1. I heard 2 from pretty much the entire class. Can someone tell me how they know that's 2? How did you know? In the clear back.
Because you just take away 8 of them, and you can use addition because you know that 8 plus 2 is 10.
Can someone repeat what she said about using addition? What did she say about using addition?
You can, all you have to do is, you know that 8 plus 2 is 10, so 10 minus 8 is going to equal 2. Okay?
So 8 plus some number is going to equal 10. And that number is?
2.
2. All right, so let's keep thinking on that same lines to do this next problem. Are you ready? Have your thumbs ready. Here we go.
It's 2.
When you have an answer, thumb at your chest, please. And the same thing, this time I'm going to count to 3, and when I get to 3, you're going to say the answer. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Okay, I heard 4 from most of the group today. So this is where I'm going to challenge you. Okay, so this is going to be a little different. I'm going to draw what I call an open number line. An open number line allows you to think about how we jump between numbers to solve a problem. So here's the open number line that I'm going to draw for you.
I know. Ooh, it's pretty easy.
8, 10, and 12. Why do you think I labeled that with an 8, 10, and a 12? Turn and talk to someone around you and tell them why you think that. You can come join us or you can join us. You can join us. Why do you think I did 8, 10, and 12? Do you see jumps of 2 as well?
So all you have to do is put 2 short lines in the question problem to make
All right, I'm going to bring it back up here. So this is what I heard in my group. So I want you to see if you agree or disagree, because I'm going to put it on the board. I heard from my group that this was a jump of 2, and that this was a jump of 2.
2.
Is there a jump of 2 between 8 and 10?
No.
Yes.
Okay. Is there a jump of 2 between 10 and 12?
Yes.
How does that help me get the answer of 4?
You go backwards.
How does that help me get the answer of 4?
Minus 1.
What do you think?
2. 11 minutes plus 2 equals 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. Is that true?
Yes.
Oh. And does the 4 in this picture, does that represent the answer that we had here?
Sure.
But this one said 12 take away 8. Does my picture show that I took 8 away?
No, you added 8. I mean, it shows
Oh.
that you added 4.
It shows that I added 4 and not took 8 away, right? Okay, so let's try this again to see if we can do it on another one. Are you ready? 14 minus 8. I don't want an answer yet at all. I want to know what we would draw for an open number line. Okay, I'm going to start with you right here. I need some numbers on that open number line. What numbers would I use? 8, and where would the 8 go? So on the left side or the right side? The left side, okay? So she says we're going to start with an 8. I need to put some other numbers on that number line. Who can help me out? What are some other numbers I might use? What are you thinking? Yep. Okay, it's all right. I want you to take a stab at it. Oh, so do you want to put a 10 on there? Yeah? Okay. How far over do you want me to put that 10? Okay, so about right here. Okay, all right. Another number. I'm going to add one more number to that open number line. What do you think, sir?
12.
12, and where would you put it? Right here? So here's what I need to know now. Do I need any other numbers, or am I all done?
All done.
Just wait. Think to yourself.
You're not all done.
Do I need any more numbers, or am I all done? In your head, decide. Do I need another number, or am I done? And now I want you to turn and talk to a partner, but tell them why. If you're done, why are you done? And if you're not done, what do you need? Why do I need a longer line? She says I need a longer line to add the 14. What do you think?
You do.
Why do you think so? Okay. All right, I'm going to bring everyone back up here. We're going to start again in 3, 2, and 1. She said something that was really awesome, but I need everyone to hear. She said she doesn't think I'm done.
No, we're not.
Tell them why I'm not done. She said up here, we skip kind of twice to get to the 12, but we don't have enough to get to the 14. So she thinks we still need to add a 14 to that number line. Do you agree with that? You do? Okay, well, let's put it on there. 14. And then what kind of jumps do I need to make?
1, 2, 3.
What kind of jumps do I need to make? How many jumps of 2? She said 3. Do you agree with that? You think it's 3? So let's do it. So let's do a jump of 2. Ready? There's 1. Let's do a jump of 2. That's 2. Let's do a jump of 2. That's 3. Is that all we need, our 3 jumps of 2?
Yes.
So,
How do we know that's all we need?
plus 8 is the same as, I don't know.
How do we know that we are done with our jumps? What about this told us we were done? In the back, what told us we were done?
Because there's no other more you can skip down.
Oh, and why are we done skip counting?
Because we got to 14.
Oh, was that the number we were trying to get to was 14?
Uh-huh.
And where did we have to start at?
8.
Did we start at 8?
Yeah.
Did we get to 14?
Yeah.
Are we all done?
No.
We are. What's the answer to this question?
6.